Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to present Canva slides offline. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to go to the Canva homepage while you're still connected to the internet. This step is crucial because you need to be online initially to download and prepare your presentation for offline use. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left side menu and click on Projects. This is where all your created designs and presentations are stored, making it easy to locate what you need. Now search for the presentation you want to make available offline. You can use the search bar or scroll through your project list to find it. Once you've located your presentation, click on the three-dot menu that appears on your presentation's thumbnail. This menu gives you access to additional options for managing your design. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Make Available Offline. This option tells Canva to prepare your presentation for offline viewing, which is incredibly useful when you're presenting somewhere without reliable internet access. After selecting this option, you'll need to wait for Canva to finish preparing the design. This process might take a few moments depending on the size of your presentation and the number of slides it contains. The system is essentially downloading all the necessary assets and data to your device so everything displays properly even without an internet connection. Once the preparation is complete, you're all set to present offline whenever you need to. When you're ready to present and you're in an offline environment, simply go to Projects and then navigate to Available Offline. This section shows all the presentations you've previously saved for offline use so you can easily access them without needing an internet connection. Open your saved presentation by clicking on it. With your presentation now open, click the Present button to start your slideshow. If Canva displays the presentation options, select Present Full Screen. This gives you the best viewing experience and ensures your audience can see your slides clearly without any distractions from the Canva interface. Now you can click through the slides to present them offline. You have full control over the presentation pace and everything will display smoothly just as it would with an internet connection. You've successfully prepared and presented your Canva slides offline, which means you're ready for any presentation scenario regardless of internet availability. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.